Hello there, Carstairs here. In this video I'll be doing an unboxing of this Songmics wooden 12-slot watch box with the jewellery drawer and glasses trays. So I saw this on Amazon, thought it looked really good and the price was attractive. It was on a Black Friday deal. £46.74 I paid for it with free delivery because I've got Amazon Prime. It was £59.99. Even at £59.99 I don't think it's too bad, but we'll get into value for money a bit later on. So it also does come in black, but I like this coffee wood colour. So let's get it open, see if it's any good. It looks promising, but let's get it open. So, very well packed, and get that last bit off there. Yeah, acrylic. Yeah, too much to ask for glass, I think, at this price point. Let's have some peeling. Very nice magnetic catch somewhere down there. Songmics logo there. Let's have a look in the drawer. Silica gel. Eat that later. And yeah, we've got a jewellery compartment for your jewellery, but what I think I kind of really like about this is you've got sections here for glasses or sunglasses. So let's put some stuff in it. As you can see, I've filled the case up now with the watches and it looks really good. All these watches were just in a drawer, couldn't really see them, so now, you know, on display, and I get to enjoy them all the time now. So we'll just take a look in the glasses drawer. It's a shame you can't fit two pairs of glasses in the pockets. Why? Such a shame. So yeah, it's 3 is what you get. So that is a tiny bit disappointing, but you know, 50 quid really, what do you expect? So let's have a look in the jewellery drawer. Ring storage there, and 2 pockets for your bits and pieces, jewellery and what have you. So just looking at the grain of the wood, just to clarify on this, the finish on this box is a faux wooden grain. It's a composite wooden type material that's had a fake wood effect put on it, so it's not actually solid wood. Really nicely finished. I really like that. Now, I don't know whether the door could have used a little pull and the drawer could have used a little pull. There are recesses on the drawer there to allow you to get your finger in there to open it, but you can't just do it one-handed. You have to use 2 hands to open the drawer because it just turns and it gets stuck. So maybe, you know, a little knob there to pull it out square would have been best. And again, with the door, there is a recess there for you to get your fingers in. But you know, is that going to spoil the aesthetic of a clean look? And they may well have decided that they're not putting furniture on because obviously it's going to drive up the bill of materials and the cost of the unit. I'm toying with maybe adding something, because that drawer, not being able to open it one-handed is a bit of a downer, I have to say. Not so much bothered about the door. The magnetic catch is just there, or the magnet to keep it nicely shut is just there, but it's not powerful. It's just enough to keep the door closed, and you don't need much of a heavy touch to open it. Now, as I mentioned before, I do like that it's wood on all the external parts. There is a bit of MDF just in there, but the top of the drawer there is wood. So the inside, where the watches are, and the jewellery section and the glasses section are all sort of flock lined, with these nice flock lined pillows as well. That's really nice. No complaints there. One feature I really do like about this watch box is the big hinge there. They could have just put two small hinges at the top and the bottom, but if you were to hit the door accidentally over time, you know, maybe you're a bit too rough with it, you know, you could work the screws loose, but having this many fasteners across a big hinge minimizes any chance of that happening. And I think they've really thought about that. So that's a really nice feature. So that's all I can tell you about this watch box. I really like it. I think for the money, it's really good value. I'll link to it on Amazon down below, and also a link to Songmics' own website where I think you can get this from as well. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, just for your convenience. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this watch box. If you have, please like the video, consider subscribing, and links to buy me a coffee are down in the description below. Thanks for watching.